Dear audience, in the last section and the last part, we discuss about the piping system. That what are the pipes? The answer piping system. We involve pipes, fittings, valves, and other components. Today we will discuss the main types of piping system. The piping system are classified in different ways according to their material types, application, pressure, and its function. So today we will discuss about all these in detail. Guys, on the basis of material, pipes are classified into metallic piping and non-metallic pipe. Metallic pipe are those pipes that are made from metals, alloys, and its composites. For example, we have a steel piping system that is made from steel. The other one is stainless steel, the cast iron pipe, the copper piping, and the aluminum pipe. We will discuss its uses. They are used in many industries forward for pressure systems and for industrial plants, for steam and gas transport, for plumbing and HVAC system, and plumbing and HVAC system. In plumbing and HVAC system, it work is water drainage system and heat transport system, and we can also use metallic pipe forward for construction purposes, e.g. in scaffolding, railing, and framing purposes. Guys, the metallic pipes are hard, so it's a high strength and resistivity as the main advantages of the metallic piping system. But it can corrode, and they are heavy and difficult to install for the system. So we can also use the non-metallic pipe. So the other fire types of based on material is the non-metallic piping system. The non-metallic piping system are those systems which are made from plastic or its composite of plastics, in which plastic are used. They are mainly PVC, polyvinyl chloride system, mean they are made from PVC. For they are used for what? For water, mean the sanitary system, and for the industrial application we can also use the PVC. And the other is another example of non-metallic piping system is CPVC, chlorinated PVC type, and the HDPE system, high density polyethylene. The high density polyethylene system, mean HDPE, is known for what its flexibility and durability in water and gas applications. And the other example is FBR, fiber reinforced plastic. The reinforced plastic system are the main type of what non-metallic system. Guys, the non-metallic piping system have many benefits. As we know, they cannot corrode, mean the rust cannot be attack on it. It is galvanic resistive. The non-metallic piping have the lower cost of transportation and installation as compared to it to metallic piping system, but they also have some limitation. As we know, we can't the non-metallic piping system can't sustain to high pressure and temperature, and they have a lower internal diameter IDEs, having low internal IDEs system, so it cannot transport the much fluid inside it. So these are the limitations of what non-metallic piping system.